Hi, baby. Iyak ako. I love you.
Umiyak ka lang, iyak.
I'm feeling good vibrations, like an 808 sensation. Heaven on earth is a place, and that's my destination. You know I've been making my way up, I don't need coffee to stay up. Sky is the limit, let's see how far that this could take us. Driving into the sunset, turn the music up loud. Don't ever let me forget, I feel so alive. I'm living my life out in paradise. I can't help but smile, I'm just so alive. So alive. So alive. So alive.
Okay. Baby, I love you. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sa wakas, andito na tayo sa kasal na pinapangarap natin. Ang dami man dumaan na pagsubok sa relasyon natin, mahalaga na walang sumuko sa atin.
Same sky, different shores. Closed eyes.
Sobrang sayo ko na nakilala kita. Yung wavelength natin sobrang parehas. Wala na akong hanapin pa sa mapapangasawang sobrang laki ng suporta sa akin.
I'm just trying to feel again.
Ang pangako ng pagtitipan ay hindi lamang laan sa bawat isa sa inyo, ngunit higit ay ang pagtaliman sa kalooban ng Diyos. So kaya ang katapatan ng bawat isa, faithfulness ng bawat isa, ay siyang una't higit ang katapatan ninyo sa Diyos.
Until our days are done.
Jolo, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kitang maging aking asawa sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya. Ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng buhay ngayon at kailanman.
You were there as the walls were closing in, and my bones were trembling. Oh, you held me skin to skin.
Simula nung magkita tayo, alam kong ikaw na everyday, every night. On this day, I will still give you my heart. I will encourage you, cherish you, and care for you. We will have our own adventures and our share of struggles. But at the end of each day, we will turn to each other and say, I still choose you.
Tethered, will we hold on under pressure? Will we say our love's weathered every twist and turn?
Sabon na aking makakaya, pinapangako sa'yo na palagi kitang pasasayahin at pinapangako sa suportahan kita at mamahalin kahit ano pang dumating sa ating buhay. Nawa pagpalain tayo ng Panginoon. Gaya ng sabi sa kanta ng Twice, I guarantee I got you. Moonlight, sunrise, become my starlight. I love you so much.
I'm falling to you. I'm falling when I'm without you. I'm falling
I don't know what I would do without you. Tethered, we said we're in this together. Is it for worse or for better? Until our days are done. Tell